Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here. Today I'm going to fly my FMS Zero. It's been quite a while since I've had this airplane out to fly, and it always flies so good, and it's a little bit confusing why I don't get it out more, but I'm excited to get this thing in the air today. Let's do it. All right, we're flying with a 4S 3200 milliamp hour battery. The wind is coming out of the southwest today, so we're going to taxi it down this way, and no flaps for the takeoff. We shouldn't need them. Hopefully that beeping sound isn't too crazy annoying. There's something going on with the church's, I think it's a pump system for the pond. A little up elevator here to get her taxi in. There we go. Gear going up. I really only got to about 3/4 throttle on that takeoff. We are getting later in the afternoon, so the sun is a little bit low. I'm going to do a roll on this pass here. I used no elevator, and you seen it started to drop a little bit as it got inverted, so this airplane does want me to push on the elevator just a little bit as it gets upside down. So we'll try it again. A little faster too, so that should help. There we go. I gave it a little bit of down as it got upside down. Actually paused just a little bit as it got there too. Beautiful. This airplane looks so good in the air. It's one of their older models, I believe. And if it's still available, guys, you should really go out there and get one of these. It flies so good for an old warbird. I really like how they do the cowl on this airplane, it being all plastic. It gives it a really sleek looking in the static display. Sinking it in here for the attack. It's flying really good, nice and straight. Really didn't do anything with it. Let's take it up into that loop, cutting out of the throttle, back in. It's not a super fast plane, but it looks so good in the air. Those big red symbols on the side really light up, both on the top and the bottom. I know a lot of people really like this plane, and it is a really good flying airplane. And there's quite a few FMS planes that I like, and this just happens to be one of them. I really like the Pitts. Everybody knows that. But this Zero, it flies so good. Very easy to handle. Flies, I would say it probably flies just as good as the Pitts. On this pass, we'll drop those flaps and slow this thing down. Maybe. I'm one click on the flaps, I believe. I actually could not tell. So after I get turned back into the wind, I'll go full flaps. There we go, full flaps now. Letting it slow down. I can see them this time. Really cool how slow this thing can slow down. You want to keep those wings as level as possible when you have those flaps down. I will want to get it out here over the pond about there to start slowing it down for the landing, because this airplane is nice and sleek. It likes to go right through the wind. Here we go, going full throttle. I can really hear it humming. We'll get a nice full speed pass here. So the prop on this plane must not have any dings in it because it is still really nice and quiet even at full speed. Usually my airplanes have a small ding in the prop or something, and you'll hear a really loud roar when you go full speed. And this one is doing a really good job. Slow it down. This is no flaps. Bring it in here, kind of like this for the landing. Of course, I'll need the gear down. There's my timer. So let's lower the gear so we can see him. And I see him. I'll make sure I'm over those lamp posts. Going one click on the flaps there. Full flaps. Backing out of the throttle. Nice and easy here. I'm shooting a little long, so let's go around. Still full flaps this whole roundabout here. Slowing it down now. Trying to stay above those trees. Oh, a little bit out of shape. But I'll take it because that's kind of into the wind there. Unfortunately, the sun's over there. Hopefully you guys can still see the plane. Back taxi here a little bit so I'm not staring in the sun. FMS pits. Really good job today. Super happy with that. So we went about 5 minutes and 40 seconds. I think it probably could have went a little longer on the 3200 milliamp hour battery. This airplane conserves power pretty good, I think, and flew really good today. If you guys like this airplane, I will try to link it in the description box. I'm not sure where all it's available. And I appreciate all your guys' support. What a beautiful day here at the end of December to be able to get out and fly. And yeah, I really appreciate everybody's support. If I don't get another video out on New Year's Day, Happy New Year's. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.